The Redmi K20 Pro is supposed to be the flagship killer 2.0, so can it kill the OnePlus 7 in a speed test? Well, that's what we're here to find out today. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you end up liking what you see here, do consider turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now before we start, you know how our speed tests go, right? In case you don't, we've got two rounds, one light, one intense, and each round has two labs. One checking app opening times, the other checking RAM management. So guys, both phones are connected to the same wireless network and there are no apps running in the background. So let's go ahead, start the stopwatch, opening up Temple Run 2. Both phones launch it at almost the same time. The OnePlus 7 does seem to have a slim lead though. Moving on, it's like both phones are in sync with each other, opening up apps with just a split-second difference. But with Super Mario Run, the K20 Pro, after keeping up with the OnePlus, it now snatches away the lead. Heading into the last row of apps, can the K20 Pro maintain its slender lead? Seems so. Both phones finished the round with a time difference of less than a single second. Moving on to RAM management, both phones have fast animations and they are racing down the list with all apps in memory. We again have a photo finish with the time difference being less than a single second. Now the first round it was really close, but let's move on to a more intense second round and see if adding more apps and demanding games will cause for a clearer winner, a larger difference here. By the way, we're also going to be rendering a video. We're going to be using the Video Shop app today. We're using the same clip on both phones and keeping it all ready to render. Let's go ahead and start the stopwatch. Opening up PUBG Mobile, the OnePlus 7 takes a slight lead here. Note that we had to swipe twice on the K20 Pro to get to the home screen. Opening up YouTube, they're again on level footing. And now the K20 Pro actually takes a slim lead with Super Mario Run. Both phones are on to rendering now. The OnePlus 7 seems to be gaining back lost ground, and both phones finish the render in almost the same time. Seems like the faster storage on the OnePlus 7 hasn't really made a huge difference here. And again, for the third time today, we have a finish with less than a second of difference between both. This time though, OnePlus is ahead ever so slightly. Moving on to RAM management, both phones are going head to head with just a slight difference. This one's gonna be really tight, folks. The K20 Pro loses some time on the double swipe to home again on PUBG. The OnePlus 7 finishes the test in a minute 32.12 seconds. And the K20 Pro finishes in a minute 33.08 seconds, which if you actually noticed was a difference of 0.96 of a second. So for the fourth time today, we have had a difference of less than a single second. So that's how close these tests were. So let's now boot these phones up to check boot timings before wrapping up. Basically, though we technically have winners, yes, the K20 Pro won round 1 and the OnePlus 7 round 2, the speed test was too close to call. So speed is not really going to be a deciding factor when choosing between these two phones. Then what is? Well, I do have a full comparison, and if you've not watched it yet, here's a card, check it out. Guys, by the way, the OnePlus 7 and the K20 Pro used in this video, they were both 8GB RAM, 128GB storage variants, in case you were wondering. So I guess that's it for this speed test. It was quite exciting. I really can't remember the last time we had such close results. Redmi seems to have done a good job getting the K20 Pro this close. So should we go ahead and do K20 Pro versus XS Max? Would that interest you? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of today's video. And thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. And apologies in advance, my throat's a little scratchy, I've got a sore throat. So sorry about that. And subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.